Hey everyone, Cheryl here. Welcome to the Brunch Master. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple cheese sandwich. If your kid doesn't like spicy food or if you're looking for some quick sandwich recipe, then this is the perfect one. And the ingredients needed are sandwich bread, 2 slices, mayonnaise, approximately 2 tablespoons, 1 cheese slice, cheese cube 1, garlic 2 pods, tomato ketchup 1 teaspoon, butter as required. Let's get started. First we need to cut the edges of the bread. Then apply mayonnaise on both the slices. Spread a teaspoon of ketchup on it. Place a slice of cheese. Put the other slice on top. Spread some more mayonnaise on the top. Grate the cheese on the top of sandwich. Grate 2 pods of garlic. Once the sandwich is ready, brush some butter to the grill pan. And grill the sandwich on low heat. Try it out at home and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Let's meet once again with another interesting recipe. Until then, eat healthy, take care. Thank you for watching the video.